I'm shooting today in Pro and Dolby Vision. It is dawn, overcast, and the sun is not out yet. It is low light, video mode, 4K, 30 frames per second, sharpness on low, and I left the saturation and contrast as is. I have the option to use an ND filter, baked filters in the camera. We're on none at the moment. One of the tests I want to do is the audio test of the start of the video to see exactly where the camera starts when I start and stop. In the next video, I'm going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as when I shut the video off, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, see if we are clipping. What I've noticed is it immediately picked my voice and started up at 1. As I closed off, it immediately stopped off at 0. I like to change over to an ND filter. I'm having a little difficulty seeing the white on the background clear overlay. Maybe if the colors were in a goldish color, that would have been awesome. I guess in Dolby Vision, we don't have it. And the thing about having a white and grayed out type of coloring in daylight, it's hard to see. It's better to see that at nighttime. But goldish color, orange color is probably ideal so you can see it at daytime when the sun's hitting as well as night. We have the boats again warming the engine up, and they'll be going out soon. We have a set of swans. I'm going to try to zoom in on one of them and try to keep it centered. There he is, right there. I shifted off. As I start my video in 12x, I am able to be almost centered and we're able to watch the swans. What I am going to do is hit the right hand side, and I hit the wrong one. What I am going to do is hit the left hand side to track, then hit the right hand side and start the tracking. It automatically picked on the swan on the left side. So I am going to rotate my camera away, and it is still keeping in track of the swan at 12 times zoom, low light. Up ahead is a house with the lights in the front, and I am zoom. I'm on zoom, 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 baby. 3 times optical zoom. I'm a little dark. Now, there I go. And that's because I guess going underneath a tree or not being in the open. Well, I am testing out the Insta360 Luna Ultra. And if I had a DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro or Extra Muse 2 Pro, it'd be the same. Don't get caught up in the hype. You pick the camera you like. I appreciate the criticism and the comments and your opinions. It is your choice, not mine. I'm happy with the camera. I'm not a gimbal person. I'm an action person with an action camera. I do vlogs. I'm not doing action sports. People don't love the 20mm focal point. Well, I'm not that far holding my camera. I'm holding it like this. And it does mighty fine in the distance. It's a beautiful day. It's not a super clear day. It's got moisture in the air as the sun will rise up. It's a good day for a bike ride for sure. The Insta360 Luna Ultra may not be for everybody. As we ride along in hand with the gimbal camera, you can see how nice and smooth it is on the boardwalk, on concrete, as well as walking, if you know how to hold and do the ninja hold. Is Dolby Vision for every single shot? Is video mode for every single shot? Is pure video for every single shot? You'll find that out when you use your camera. As I'm riding along and I'm in 12 times zoom, lossless zoom at the lights up ahead, if I start to move the camera, I have to do real super slow, else we're going to get a drift or a quick movement. I pulled back some and I'm still in the 1.1/3 sensor. As you can see, the lights up ahead. I'm in the 1-inch sensor with the lights up ahead, somewhere in the 2x plus optical zoom. As we caught up to where the lights are on, nice and close up with no zoom on, we're going to slow down and look at the ride as it's lit up. It's being tested and looked at, inspected. It is still low light, video mode, Dolby Vision, as we ride along and get a landscape shot. We'll end this segment of the Insta360 Luna Ultra and Dolby Vision, and we'll switch on over to another video vlog, and we'll do that in regular video mode, and maybe we'll go into portrait 3K and rotate the camera around for 4K, which one day they'll manually have the actual lens do 4K with the gyro. That can be done. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on the next video.